Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will explore the arrays in Go, how to declare them and access the elements, modify them and more. So let's dive in. Array in Go are used to store multiple values of same time. Let's see how we can declare this array. So first thing, using the var keyword. So this is the syntax where we have to write var, then name of the array that we want to give, then length of the array, which is optional in case if we are going to provide the values. In this case, values are optional. So the array will be initialized with the default value of the data type that we are providing here. We have to provide a data type basically. So length, then data type, and then values, and then if length is optional, then we have to basically provide data type and values. Another way to declare array is using the colon equal sign, where we will provide the length and data type in case if we don't want to provide the values, and similar thing basically. Next thing, here we have a code example where we have declared array using the type where we have specified length and where we have not specified length. So they are pretty similar. And here we have what we have did is we have kind of declare both the arrays using single multiple declaration thing. In Go, array indexes start at 0. So we can, so that means that we can, if we want to access the element, then 0 is the first element and in square bracket 1 is the second element. Here we have declared array with values as 10, 20, 30, and if we want to access its value, then we basically have to just write the array name and the in square bracket index of the value that we want to access. Change the elements of an array, we can use the equal operator with array name and index just to update the value of an array. You can also change the value of the specific array element by referring to index number. Next thing is array initialization. In array or one of its element has not been initialized in the code, it is assigned default value of its type. The default value of int is 0 and default value of string is basically empty string. So here if you can see, first array is initialized with type 5, but it is not initialized basically, so it has all the default values. Next array is partially initialized and next array is fully initialized. And in the image of right hand side, if we want to initialize element at specific index, then we can do that. Here we have initialize index 1, which is second element of array with 10 and third element of array with 40, and we can see the result here. Next thing is find the length of an array. The length function is used to find the length of an array, and you can see that we have initialized an array one with length 4 and it has printed 4, and we have initialized other array with 6 elements, though we have not specified length, but we have initialized it 6 element, so there it has returned a 6 as it has inferred the length of the amount of values that we have put in there. And that's a quick look at Go arrays. They are useful for storing fixed size collection of data. In the next video, we will explore slices, which provide more flexibility than arrays. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the more Go tutorial. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Happy coding. Bye bye.